Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this app has been blocked for your protection in your Windows or computer. So now the case is when you have to try to open this certain application like WinRAR, okay? So just have to click on open. The moment you've click on it, you'll get the error. Well, it has been blocked in your Windows for your protection. Now, in order to fix such, we'll be performing an easy step, okay? So the very first step is you need to press Windows and R key together to open this run window. Here, you need to type for regedit and then click on OK. So your can control will ask you to say yes the moment you click on it. Just have to go with yes so that you would be able to open your registry editor. Here at the left side of your screen, you can see there are different folders. You need to go with the third one, which is hkey underscore local underscore machine. Okay. Next to that is you need to click this forward arrow and there you need to go with software. Click this forward arrow again and this time you need to go with Microsoft. Click this forward arrow and this time you need to scroll down and look for Windows. Once you have defined it, just have to select it again and then click this forward arrow and this time you need to proceed to current version. Okay, click this forward arrow and there you need to scroll down again and look for policies. So you can see it here. Click this forward arrow and there you can see two folders which are data collection and system. You need to select on system and here at the center of your screen you can see there enable LUA. Just have to double tap that and here in the small window called edit keyword 32-bit value, you need to change the value data of enable LUA into 1 and then click on OK. So once you have to click on it, just have to simply close all of these file folders. Okay. The moment you've closed all of this, close the registry editor window as well. And here you need to restart your computer. Okay, so once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.